Good morning everybody, it's Paula Nutting, your musculoskeletal specialist, and it's day 2 down in Sydney of the Chapmans Reflexes course, hashtag having a fantastic time. Now I am in the process right now of taking the students through their course, and they're doing a check and tick to make sure everything is going really well. So I'm going to flick them over so we can have a bit of a chat to see how we're going. Hey Trace, how are you going? I can see you up there. Hello guys, how are you guys going?
Good.
Yeah? So feeling good after last night and yesterday?
Feeling good, confident.
Getting confident, getting good with the palp skills. So what are we doing right now?
We are stretching for...
Testing for us. Yeah, exactly, well done. How are you guys going? So right now what we're doing is we're going through and getting bums on tables and facilitating the areas. So which area are we facilitating here?
We're facilitating the lateral line and the adductors and abductors.
Perfect, great job.
So
These
around the ASI.
nice work. These guys are doing a great job. Hey Julie, how's it going? So we're going through here doing a fabulous Facebook Live. Oh, I think I've taken you sideways, guys, so I'm sorry if I'm doing that. Oops, rotate your device, I won't do that. So right now, they've been given the brief that if they don't put their hands in the right positions, I'm allowed to slap them. And so far, no one's been slapped, which is really good. So what areas are we working on here?
We're working on the lateral swing.
Yeah, great work. These guys are doing an awesome job. Is he doing a good job, Marie?
Great job.
Yeah,
You
excellent.
know, we've both done your course through I did the silver, you did the platinum.
The online.
Yeah.
And what we've noticed from the course is that we have to go a bit deeper than what we thought we had to.
Okay. That's a really good point. Thank you for that feedback, because you don't really know what you don't know until you do that online, like when you do the online and the face-to-face. So that is really cool news. How are you two guys going?
Great, thank you.
Yep. Feeling good in front of the camera? Yes.
Either either.
Not always, but it's all right anyway. They're doing a great job. Well done, Carol. Are you enjoying that?
Yes, very good.
Good. Okay. How are you guys going down here? Feedback?
Excellent, yeah.
Yeah,
Great.
doing well?
It's nice and strong, but we're sure you're here anyway.
Yeah, good work. Excellent.
Getting stronger.
So guys, I won't hold you up too long because I know you've got a beautiful Sunday and you guys are probably doing nice, relaxed things rather than chilling out around here with me. But we're just going to have a look. Yeah, so they're testing for diaphragmatic control, because we know if the diaphragm's not strong and on, then the whole of our postural system, all of those muscles aren't going to be working effectively. How are you guys going?
Very well, thank you. How are you?
I'm going very well.
Excellent.
So we're going through the routine day 2 to make sure that everyone knows exactly what they're doing, and then we have a lovely time lying down on our backs. And all therapists know we love being treated. And I love when we've got odd numbers, because then I get a treatment, but unfortunately today it's I know. Anyway, Paula Nutting, your musculoskeletal specialist, signing off. Hey Pam, how's it going? Good to see you. Pam's one of the therapists that did the course, and she's always giving me thumbs up on how effective the Chapmans Reflexes are for almost anything that you've got wrong on a pathophys and a musculoskeletal. Hey Andrew, how's it going? Good to see you. Hope golf's going well. What I want you to make sure that if you know that I've got 2 courses coming up next year, one in Adelaide in February and one in Melbourne in March. Dying to see you guys. I'll have a couple more courses, but I'm not quite sure when and where for next year. Hopefully back in Sydney again, and probably in Brisbane, but maybe up Sunny Coast or Gold Coast instead. Anyway, it's Paula Nutting, your musculoskeletal specialist. If you want to do one of these courses, have a look on my website. If you want to come and do an online course where you can do it at your self-paced learning, jump on the website and check that out too. Cheers everybody, have a good one.